Si ate girl. Karaoke singing sa bahay na naman. Oh my gosh. So soft and pleasant. It looks like she's lip syncing, but she's not. Oh, ang galing niya. Are you hearing this, guys? Parang sa studio yung version niya, yung boses niya. Oh! Hindi to ano! Oh, she can do the run as well. Goosebumps! Ang linis! This is pure talent right here. Filipino talent, guys. She's not even struggling. Dang, girl! I know. Grabe! Oh my God! I'm a fan! Ate, grabe ka! Very pleasant yung voice niya, hindi masakit sa tayo na yung mga high notes. And she is like not even struggling, grabe. Build up, she knows. Full chest, wow! Oh my gosh! He changed. Wow! I'm so done! Nice! I'm going crazy over her. Vibrato. Dynamics. Oh my God! She goes straight to the top.